Good morning, class. Welcome to day 3 of your art activism unit. This video will discuss today's task list and assignments that need to be completed. So your first thing to discuss is your learning goal. Your learning goal is to create an artwork that raises awareness about a social issue. So we're using our skills that we learned in the last unit to use our illustrations to convey a message or meaning. But instead of telling a personal story like last unit, you're picking a social issue or problem that affects today's world, not something that could happen in the future, not something that already happened in the past, but something that's happening now that's happening currently. Your central question is, how does collaboration expand the creative process? Collaboration is when two people or more work together to create something, in this case an artwork. So collaboration expands the creative process because you're getting different insights and different ideas, different perspectives from other people, or at least another person, and you can even have the other person help with the physical production of the work and the actual physical creation of the product. So that's how collaboration, working with other people, can help the creative process. That is your central question you're going to need to know for your learning log, so please make sure you are thinking about that and watching these videos each day. And your vocabulary words for today are emphasis and variety. Both of those will be discussed in the video below. So your first task is to watch that video. It's entitled Emphasis and Variety video, and you're going to watch that to help with today's entrance ticket questions and answers. All the answers are in that video, also with some lesson examples, so please make sure you watch that. Once you've watched that short video, just complete your entrance ticket for today. Your questions are, what is variety and what is emphasis? It should be an easy 2 points. Once you're done, just submit that. And lastly, just continue working on your final drawing of your project, and then just submit a photo of your recent progress to the day 3 student progress. Just as you're making this, just some things to highlight. Make sure that your social issue is clear. Make sure your subjects are clear, what you're drawing, the action, what they're doing, and then any text that might be needed to help this convey or express that message further. My best advice is draw big, draw large, make everything clear, try not to draw too tiny, just fill that space of the paper. And lastly, it says here your final drawing will be colored with oil pastels, showing solid colors and strong craftsmanship. If you end up using color pencils instead, that's okay, but the project was intended to use oil pastels, but I believe that I recently told students you could use colored pencils, so that choice will be yours moving forward. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help, and I will talk to you all shortly in the emphasis and variety video. All right, guys, we'll see you soon.